Thank you so much, sir. I feel extremely honored to introduce to you our guest of honor, Professor UB Desai, the founder director of IIT Hyderabad.
Yeah, you able to hear me?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so first of all, I'd like to thank the director of Triple IT Allahabad, the whole team out there for giving me this opportunity. Okay, I also like to congratulate the director at Triple IT Allahabad and the whole team for conducting this particular workshop. I think this is a very important issue in the current academic scenario. That is, how do we incorporate flexibility? Okay, flexibilities can be incorporated at multiple levels. Okay. For example, flexibilities could be within the department, within the institute, across in like-minded institutes, across countries, across universities and institutes within India and across countries also. So I think one has to look at this flexibility that NEP 2020 talks about in a more holistic manner. Okay. And one has to also at times, it may not be a bad idea, just thinking about it after the deliberation that we had an hour ago, maybe there should be some workshops also with students. It need not necessarily be a top-down thing where the professors think that this is how it has to be done and that's the end of the story. After all, at the center of all this discussion, it is the student. So maybe, students themselves, I would say, should take up this issue and, have deliberations among them. Like what this workshop has done is brought faculty members, professors from across the country on the same platform to talk about this very important issue of flexible academic program. My feeling is students at various institutes also should take it up, as part of the Gymkhana activity, club activity. I mean, that I leave it up to individual institutions because we need their inputs too. And I think today's students are far more aware of what is happening across the globe, what is happening within the country. Okay, and I think their inputs will be quite valuable in shaping a proposal or shaping some kind of recommendations on how do we go about implementing flexible academic programs. Also, various academic institutions have done it within their institutions. We should also explore those things. I can talk a lot more about this is not the right time, maybe at another time if I'm allowed to. The kind of flexibilities that I brought in at IIT Hyderabad, your director talked about incorporating music, fine arts. We literally had a program on creative arts where people got credits for music, people got credit for painting, etc., etc. And we found a very unique way of implementing it. And there are many other things one can talk about. We implemented at IIT Hyderabad a program called Fractal Academics, which essentially gives tremendous freedom both to faculty and to the students on how one can they go about it. Okay, of course, these have to be now cut across. This was within one institute. We need to go across institutes also. But all these things have to be thought out with partnership among faculty members across institutes and universities and students too. So with these few words, once again, I congratulate Triple IT Allahabad for taking this initiative. I know it's a lot of work. You put in a lot of effort in preparing initial drafts. Okay, we may have disagreed with some of the things in the draft. Please do excuse me. Okay, but as one of your members mentioned, that they were looking for inputs which were not necessarily, exactly what was talked about in their reports. So, and I think some other report will come out after the deliberations, and I indeed look forward to those reports and document based on the deliberations in this workshop. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now,